Hello, parents. This is Miss Jerome-Severe coming with this video. The purpose of this video is to teach your child preposition. So preposition is like words that we use to say where something is. For example, where's the car? The car is in the garage. So the preposition is in. So it's like where is the sky? The sky is above. So the preposition is above. So that's the purpose of these videos, to help your child know what preposition is. And I encourage you to use preposition words with your child. Those kind of activity will help your child build their vocabulary. A lot of our children are lack of vocabulary words because we use the words with them, but we don't tell them what the words are. What does it mean? So they have to make connection. They have to make connection to the words. Allô, parmi yo, c'est Mrs.Jerome-Severe. Vidéo ça, nous allons montrer timoun yo préposition. Qui sa préposition est? Comme si vous dites timoun nan côté machine nan. Timoun nan do machine nan garage là. So, en c'est préposition. So, préposition, excuse me, préposition, c'est position en bagaille. Côté ciel là, en l'air. En l'air, c'est préposition. So, l'on fait programme, l'on fait activité ça avec Timounio. Il y a Timounio ont idée qui ça li bay timounyo comme si ede timounyo langage timounyo avancé. Parce que y a un problème avec timounyo pas capable exprimer yo. Oui, m kono use mot ça tout le temps. Aller dans bas, entrer dans bassin. Mais nous pas dit timounyo qui ça moyen. So si nous fait ti pratique avec yo, y a une idée qui ça préposition. So let's go guys, we're going to do preposition just like when you're in class the teacher say stand in front of the door. So that's preposition. Stand in the back of the line. Stand in the middle of the chair. So those are preposition we're going to learn, okay? So let's look at the picture and then we're going to see what are the prepositions, okay? So the dog, where's the dog? Let's look at the dog, guys. Let's look at the dog. We see a ball, we see a dog, we see a tree, right? So where would you say the dog is? Look closely. Where would you say the dog is? So the dog is what? Yes, the dog is beside the red ball. Or you could say the dog is next to the red ball. Yes, because he's closer to the ball, so the dog is beside the red ball or next to the red ball or closer to the red ball. Very good. Let's do another one. Let's look at the dog this time. Look at the dog. Where is the dog? Very good. The dog is in the dog house. He's in the dog house. Let's do another one. Where is the dog? Where is the dog? We see the house. We see the dog house. Where's the dog standing? Yes, the dog is in front of the dog house. Yes, he's in front. He's standing right in front of it. Now, where is the dog now? Where is the dog now? So, the dog, he is behind the dog house. So, well, Miss Jerome, why do we say he's behind the dog house? Well, you cannot see his whole body. So only his head you see. So he's behind the house. He's behind the house. So let's look at now. Where is the dog? We see a dog house, right? And we see the dog, and we see the tree. So looking at the picture, the dog is where? The dog is very good. If you say between the house and the tree, you are absolutely correct. It's between. Or if you say it's in the middle of the house and the tree, that is correct too. It's in the middle. It's between the house and the tree. It's in between, or yes, it's in between. It's in the middle. Yeah, it's in the middle of them. Yes. So let's do the next one. Ha ha ha. So where's the dog? Where's the dog? So if you say the dog is on the house, very good. If you say he's on top of the house, on top of the house, very good. So where is the dog? Where is the dog? The dog is under the tree. Under the tree. So the tree is above the dog, and the dog is on the bottom near the tree. So the dog is under the tree. Where's the dog? Where's the butterfly? Excuse me. Where's the butterfly? Very good. The butterfly is above the dog. Thank you for watching, boys and girls. I hope this helped you learn some preposition. So watch the video again with your mom and dad, and you could play some preposition game with your parents, your brothers, or your sisters. Merci parents. So make sure nous garder vidéo avec Timoun yo, et puis comme ça, faire l'autre petit chouette avec yo, préposition, pour Timoun yo connaît qui différence d'un professeur dit camper devant, camper derrière, camper dans mi-temps, camper entre deux moun, so kon sa pou yo ka konnen. All right, so that was it all, guys. So I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to join. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share with your friends. Come join Miss Jerome. Miss Jerome is here to help everybody become successful in school. So mes amis, vini joindre famille là. Vini parce que Miss Jerome là pour lui aider tout le monde à avancer vers l'avant. Tout petit moun yo, même grand monde tout. Parce que même grand monde ou ka garder ça tout. Et mais c'était Miss Jerome-Severe. À bientôt.